Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, today I'm bringing you the watch face of the day. I think you're gonna like this one, so just hold tight, stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I get the watch face of the day, and I'm telling you, this watch face is awesome. Now, the name of the watch face is called MD41. It's pretty much a casual watch face for you to dress down in and or be out on your exercise, and this watch face is looking good. Now, I like the design right out the gate. The design looks very nice, very unique. I like the stack time. You also get animated seconds at the top. I like the battery meter, a nice look. And down here, you get information on your goal completed. And right here, you get information on your steps, floors climbed. You also get information up here on your speed, depending on how fast or how fast you're running. You also get your heart rate info, calories burned. You get Wednesday at a slant with the date. This is looking good. Now, if I tap right there, I could get information on my calendar. And if I tap right here, it gives me information on calories burned. Right here, go into my heart rate. I'm telling you, this watch face is looking good. Now, I like the design of this watch face. I thought the developer did a great job at it. Now, if I tap down at the bottom, single tap, I can change the color. Colors are very rich, very vibrant, looks very nice. I'm gonna say it is worth the price that I paid for it. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your honest thoughts on this watch face, MD41. I think it's awesome. I think it's awesome for if I'm going out on a casual day or on a run. This would be the watch face I'll play one of those weekends. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if you want to see more videos that I'm going to be dropping on this channel, make sure you hit the notification bell up top. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.